What if the real reason you're tired, gaining weight, and struggling to burn fat isn't your diet or age, but something happening deep inside your cells? Stay with me, because this might change how you see fat loss forever. Millions of people eat less, exercise more, and still feel exhausted, bloated, and stuck. The truth? Your metabolism runs on tiny energy factories called mitochondria. When they slow down, fat sticks, energy crashes, and motivation disappears. That's exactly why so many fat burners fail. This is where Mitolyn comes in. Mitolyn isn't a stimulant or a crash diet pill. It's a natural mitochondrial support formula designed to help your body burn fat efficiently, while boosting real, steady energy. Mitolyn works by nourishing your mitochondria, the engines that convert fat into energy. When they work better, your body naturally burns fat faster, feels more energized, supports mental clarity and focus, improves overall well-being. No jitters, no crashes, just cleaner energy. What impressed me most is the ingredient quality. Mitolyn uses science-backed, natural compounds that support metabolism at the cellular level, not just the surface symptoms. That's why users report feeling lighter, more active, and energized throughout the day, not drained. This isn't a magic pill, but when combined with normal daily habits, Mitolyn supports your body to do what it was designed to do: burn fat and create energy naturally. The most interesting part: many users say they started noticing changes within weeks, not just on the scale, but in how they feel every morning. If you want to see the full ingredient breakdown, real user reviews, and today's official discount, click the link in the description before it's gone. Mitolyn doesn't force your body, it supports it. Check it out now and decide for yourself.